Welcome back to the shed quarters. I'm Jeff and this is my new drill. Thanks, Ben. Yeah, I just picked this up and, well, needs a little bit of McLovin. So, it already received a pneumatic restoration when I picked it up. So, everything else is just a bit of scrubbing, I think. So, it's got surface rust on the pillar, the plate, and it's also missing the bolt out of there. So, this doesn't really stay where you put it. So, a bit of elbow grease, Scotch-Brite WD-40, and some funk. Well, maybe not some funk. It's not really my thing. But let's get this thing going. Now the first thing I want to deal with is this missing bolt. Now it seems to be an M12 that winds in, but it gets really tight really quick. So I'm going to clean out the threads. Looks good, but it kind of sets the standard for the rest of this, so I better get cleaning. Now, I want to keep as much of this green paint as possible because I like it. So it means I can't be too harsh on this with what I'm using. So I'm just using a bit of WD-40 just to get into the grime and clean it up. This bit on the other hand, it needs to be polished back to bare steel again pretty much. Get rid of all the rust out of it. So that will be fixed with a bit less care. I think I need something a little more powerful. This should do it. 3/4 horsepower hand drill. Hefty. Well, that's come up pretty good. You can see all the lines from when it was milled. So, yeah. Bit rough underneath still, but you get that. It's a drill press. So, I'll put this one aside. Bring up the next one. Oh wow. It's got a wasp nest inside. Can you see? Well, ain't nobody home anymore, so Somebody was still home. Not much left of them, but now we get that. Good enough. Let's put this thing back together.
I'm here!
What are you doing, cameraman? Oh?
I don't know.
Ah.
Did you want to that camera? Go! I did that chair. I am trying to find my chair. Is it not? Yes, it's so dark. That nine on there. You did that? Did that time something?
Yes, I'm putting it back together.
Are you putting it back together?
Yes, I am.
So good. What is this? Let's ready.
Okay. I'm gonna have to do something about that. We got a chuck key. Thanks, Ben. Scotch-Brite wheel. They normally spin twice the speed at least on a grinder, so this should be safe. Well, that worked really well. The Scotch-Brite wheel, well, all it did was take off the surface rust, and I can actually see all the swirl marks from when this was machined in the factory. So I have not removed any material, just rust. So yeah, I'm very happy with how this little drill's turned out. It's a lot bigger than my other little drill, so yeah, it'll be very handy for the next job that I'm doing. I haven't actually done anything to the power head, but for now it's working and I can get started on the next job. So yeah, everything from here down, perfect. Very happy. So that's going to have to be it for this video, and as always, customize everything. Make the drill go round now. Alright, just a little bonus. I was curious as to how this would go resurfacing a clutch, so this is out of the Brumby. See what happens. Well, apart from the fact that I didn't have it perfectly centered, so it was high spotting on the disc. If I spent more than 2 minutes setting this up, it would probably work. Interesting. Wonder what other engine parts I can rebuild with this.